Hello once again, audience. Welcome back to another Technician's Vlog channel video. I'm going to show you guys some, I guess this video is about basically me diagnosing my dad's computer. It does have a hardware failure and his graphics card has crashed Windows multiple times. So with that being said, my dad's computer has a very, very bad graphics card right now. I'm going to hopefully upgrade him with a, just hold the camera, sorry about that. I show kind of the wall. It's kind of like a wall of it with a roof. It's kind of like a, don't know how to really explain it, but let's move on. I'm sorry if I'm kind of slow and move the camera really weird. I'm charging the cameras at the same time I'm recording, so the camera doesn't die, if you know what I mean. This is the graphics card that we're using, so it's an AMD, let me see here, AMD Radeon 4350, something like that along the lines. I think it's the 4000 AMD Radeon series, I think. I'm not quite sure, but I guess we're going to download the driver for him anyways. So this is kind of like an upgrade, because I believe the one is this GPU right here, like this area right here. This is the GPU right here. So we'll be taking that out. I will catch you guys then. See you then. Hi guys, I'm back, and basically what's going on is I have to unplug this. I have already unscrewed some bolts. Actually, I should say one only. I don't know where it is. I think I lost it. There it is, right here. There you go. See? Right here. There you go. This is probably a better view for you guys. It's right there. Right here. Okay, so that's done. And I unscrewed that from this little area here, which was holding the graphics card in as well as this thing. This is an adapter for DVI. Show you. I don't know if turn the flashlight here. So DVI to VGA. That's pretty cool if I don't say myself. Well, anyways, I'm gonna turn. I don't know why I'm holding this flashlight when I could just hold the camera when it already has a flashlight. Kind of weird. I almost forgot about that. I'm pretty sure that's why I forgot to do that. Yeah. So basically, in the meantime, I have now one free hand. So try to do this real quick here. I'm unplugging the power supply from the graphics card. This may take me a while. I'm gonna put the camera down for a quick second. And now I'll cut the video here. I'll be back with you guys as soon as I get that undone. See you guys then. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. And so as you can see, got the graphics card out. This is an Asus. Let me see if it says in here. Anything information there you guys can look up. I don't know if you guys are very technical. Some like a tag right here. I don't know if that's good in any information for you guys, but I do know it says Asus on it. So it is an Asus graphics card. So I do know that there's more information down. Let me put it down this way. Quick second. I don't want to put it for too long. There may be static on this wooded TV stand. I'm not too sure. I'm not going to put it for too long, but I have to quickly glimpse. Pause the video if you see anything useful. Says that Asus logo. I'm going to take it off now. I can actually put it this way because the metal's fine. As long as it's not on this side. Because as you can see, there's a lot of stuff there that could possibly get damaged. And you do not want any of these to get damaged. If you don't know why, they're very small. And if one of them gets broken, I bet you 10 to 1 one of you, if you guys are home users, I'm just recommending you, and this is not like a threat or anything. This is for a teaching useful tool. I'm just teaching you guys not to play around with this technology unless you're like me, on the other hand. Basically what's going to happen is not just you, like let's say you just bump into something with it. Let's say you're taking out your computer, and you flip it over and you see one of these little, I don't know what they're called, but I know they're something to do along the lines with micro graphics card parts. So, with that being said, if one of those things come off, you need like a telescope or something something along the lines of those. I don't even have one, and I'm still, well, I am still a young technician or an IT person, if I ever wanted to be one. So yeah, this is an Asus graphics card. I am now moving on. See you guys in the next station. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to cut the part out a little bit earlier. I had some, kind of an accident. I tilted the camera over a little bit, but it's fine now. I had to cut the video there earlier than I paused the video, so you may notice a little bit of a delay or something like that along the lines, but let's move on. So this is an AMD Radeon. I forgot. I had the name in my head, but I forgot. It's fine. This part actually we're gonna put in the graphics card. Sorry, I just hit the camera there. Mic's gonna go horribly. That's why I edit my videos most of the times, unless they're live streams or such. So yeah, I'm gonna put the graphics card in. This Radeon graphics card, AMD. I'm gonna put it right in there. So that's area down here somewhere, like right down there. There's a black slot like right down here. So you can see, there you go. And yeah, it'll be in there as soon as I can get in there. You guys are gonna see in a second, I'm pretty sure. As I edit my video, it's gonna probably be like that, but I'll see you then. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and yeah, so the graphics card's in there now. Pretty cool if I don't say myself, and yeah. That graphics card is a whopping, well, I'm kidding. It has a fan, that's what I meant to say, sorry. Also, it's got some good VRAM, I think they call it. Either that or DRAM. I'm just guessing. Actually, no, I know for a fact it's either DRAM or VRAM. My guess is, or my suggestion is that it's VRAM. Pretty sure that is. It has a good amount. So like it's, I think 512 megabytes of VRAM, which is very good for that, and it's got a good amount. So yeah. My dad can play like some online games on the web page or whatever. Normally does. He reads his emails. He does stuff like that. Sorry, I just kind of was like, I think I was having some issues with my throat there. So yeah. Basically, what I'm saying is he does email reading. He just looks at the weather. He just does some like normal stuff as like an office user, but lower than an office user. So it's kind of like a normal everyday person. Just checking the weather, checking their email, or just looking at, I think what he does is he just browses the webpage on his MSN, I believe it's called, and also he checks the weather in his email. So, I'm going to close this off by just not literally the video if you're thinking that. I know it's kind of convenient I say that, but it's kind of like sounding like the video's ending off, but it wasn't. Can I not? Oh, I think I have to go right about there. That's not the way. Nope, doesn't look like it. Let's go then. I don't see why it wouldn't be. Okay, enough what you got. Actually, I'll pause the video here. See you guys in a bit. I will talk a little bit more when we set up the driver and stuff. So, see you guys then. Hey everybody, I'm back. And yeah, so I guess we will turn on the computer and see what it does. Let's do this. There we go, and it's dotting, which is very good. Don't say myself. Yeah, so there's the Acer logo and everything, empowering people, I guess. So, actually, I need to, turn off, there we go. I need to actually configure some stuff in his BIOS. Depending if this turns on again, there we go. I think it was F12 it said. Actually, let me just clarify. No, wrong. Okay, delete. Please let me get out of here. With the BIOS as well as the boot menu. Oh, that came first. Never mind. That's even better. Let's go there. What did I just do? Escape. Escape again and advanced BIOS features. This may do good. Quick boot, sure. I don't know what. Oh, here's some other stuff that I was hoping to look for. Memory hole remapping. I don't know what that means. Internal graphics. I don't know what that means. Sure. this onboard LAN option? We will disable that. Let me see your power management setup. I'm not gonna touch any of that. Voltage, no, I don't want to touch voltage with the tempo. PC stat health status. Oh, there we go. Smart fan, sure. I want enabled, most definitely. So CPU core is 1,152 voltage right now. Pretty good if I don't say myself. And the rest, the max I would say is 11,930. Yeah, well, just changed. Max, what I would say would be 11,880. It changes now. Oh, never mind. That's less than 11,930. That's what would be the max. What I just said there. Everything else looks good. Yeah. So we're good there. Save that menu, and we should be good. I don't even need to save anything because everything should be good. For now, at least. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. There's Windows, it's loading. There we go. Ooh, yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Sorry if this is so boring for you guys, but yeah, this is a tech video. If you're only here for gaming, well, you should visit my gaming channel, which is called Gaming Life. Also, they're gonna be hopefully some more gaming videos tomorrow. I'm hoping also there'll be a tech and a gaming video, one each for each channel. Besides Gaming King, that's the only channel that I only restrict myself, I guess, to. Actually, never mind. Every channel is different. I'll talk about that later. Hopefully tomorrow. I'm not sure. Maybe I won't. Okay, let me see here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so, yeah, should let me in there. Yeah, so, we'll see how it goes. Sorry about that, guys. I'm kind of tired. It's the end of the day. I haven't made so much. I literally have no behind the scenes, but I do have a bunch, and I mean, like, at least, I don't want to make any promises. I think, I'm not going to show any of this anyways. I think the max would be at least 45 fail takes of each video that I wanted to do today. But again, it's okay. I'm over it now. Check what audio this is, because there is an HDMI in there, which equals that it could be HDMI audio. I'm going to also check his audio real quick here. Check if his studio quality, of course. This usually would be good for him. So I didn't need playback device. I didn't need recording devices. I need playback devices. That's what I meant to say. Sorry about that. Levels 22 is good. Oh, see, that's what I was hoping for. See, I was trying to listen to music a long time ago, without the camera going, of course. But I was trying to listen to music, and guess what happened? It sounded horrible. I turned up the bass version, but it was still kind of horrible. So AMD Catalyst Control Center download. Yes. Nope. Well. Yes, we'll do this one. Pretty sure. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully choose this one. Download drivers, AMD support. That's the main one. That if you have an AMD card, go to that site. If you have a NVIDIA card, search up NVIDIA drivers in Google, of course, and then you should be good to go. It should give you the first link, hopefully, unless you have ads on your, or you don't have ad block, I should say, and then there's ads. If you have ads, don't worry about it. I would just suggest, actually, I remember now, I think. This is the part I got stuck at last time. Okay, let me go check with, where would it be? Well, it's nothing there, I believe. DEVICEMAN, space MAN, sorry. Oh, no thank you, no thank you, no, that's not what I want to get out of there. DEVICEMAN. Can I not just get the device? Can you? What are you doing? Sorry about this, guys. I don't know what is going on right now. She's just being stubborn as far as I see. Let's go. Holy cow. Can I not right click here? Oh my goodness. Device manager. Here it is, guys. Found it. Hoping that actually launches now. I've been waiting quite a while now, so yeah. Should launch eventually though. I guess we'll have to wait and see though, obviously. But again, it should launch. So this is just me going to the device. No, the display settings. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. Here it is, and we will go over here. Can you let me? Oh my, wow. This is what gets me angry all the time. These things that don't listen. Setting open. Holy cow. There we go. Okay then. Yes, we'll keep those changes. And, what happened? Oh no! Auto configuring. That's weird. Oh, maybe install the driver for us. Because Windows does tend to do that, even on Windows 7. It's USB receiver. That's weird. I've seen that very well. So, can I just minimize that for now, I guess? We'll see how it goes. Display adapters. Let me see how what it is. 43,000, 45,000. So you gotta choose a 4 series PCIe, which is Redolodon HD 43/45,000 series PCIe. That's what I want, but it'll only say 4,000, I'm pretty sure. Or 4XXX. That's what I meant to say. Wow. It doesn't go that far, does it? What's his Windows 8 64-bit? I'm hoping that works for him. As far as I know, it should, but I guess we'll see about that. This beta driver. What's this one though? I'd rather have not a beta, because betas usually always tend to be a little bit worse than the full version of something. So, or just, you know, yeah, something about it. I don't know what that about. Also, here's my channel if you guys don't already know. This is a technician. Okay, no thanks. Gotta mute that real quick. For also the video that I wanted to do, which is my new channel for Tech 2018. This video includes wanted it to be 4K 60 frames, but it ended up turning out to be 1080 60 frames, which equals the fact that I cannot. I'm very sorry about this, but from my gaming to my Gaming King channel, or I should say Gaming Life, Gaming King, and Technology, or no, sorry, Technician Vlogs, Gaming Life, and Gaming King. All those channels involved are only 1080p 60 frames from now on. I'm very sorry to say that, but again, it has to be what it has to be, and it has to work one way or another. Which this is all that I'm pretty sure will work. So it's from me. This is a video that I created recently, and it is telling you guys some more information about what's going on and what I'm gonna do. And this is one of the videos that I chose to mention, like diagnostics, which I'm doing right now on my dad's computer. I'm hoping to install this driver, which does say application. There's the icon. Usually I always see icons on applications, unless it's like a text document, which would have its own separate icon, which makes sense as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so let's show. I don't know. I just clicked, but I think it said show more. Well, that's downloading. I'm gonna suggest what I normally do is check how. Let's say I was at a customer's computer. I need to check what else they have. Not literally spooking around, if you know what I mean. No one will allow that. What I'm saying is drivers and other stuff, like virtual C++, and as well as that, what they need, like Notepad+, or whatever they need, or whatever they want, or whatever they're asking you to do, or as well as that, DirectX, or something else like a driver, per se, like a random one, and device manager. If you say, where's device manager? There it is. So we'll install this real quick. As you guys can see, you can probably read the stuff if you want to. If you can, pause the video and read what I'm going on with. These are my choices. I accept. I've read more than enough license and agreements in my time. Would you? Sure. In the meantime, I'm going to check my dad's drivers just like I would an ordinary customer. When if I ever have customers, know where I want to go. So, I'm going to suggest, depending if they can, nope, actually, okay, I have to go open the little arrow here and I'll point downward to give you more options. I'm going to update this driver first. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but if you got the memo, I'm pretty sure technicians know what they're doing. Yeah, so I'm just going to update the drivers, most definitely on device manager. I'm going to show a better view here, depending if I can. Here we go. So that's what I did. I'm going to let this load. I'm going to check really quick on this one. Oh, looks like it's doing a good job there. Let me see what else it's doing here. Not much. See what I did. So let me show you again real quick. I'm not going to click continue after I do this. But I right click on the whatever component or whatever driver it needs. Click the right component that needs absolutely needs a driver. Right click, update driver, and search automatically. Again, if this were to go through this process, I will show you this process first. And if you have your separate driver that you downloaded previously, choose this, go browse, or whatever the location is, type in this, or go browse. Or you can just do this and choose whatever driver suits your needs. I'm going to go back to the original area, and I'm going to choose search automatically. Until the process is done, either it says no, there is no drivers, your driver is totally updated. Either that or give a driver and it'll install it manually, like by itself. Not manually your way, manually their way. So that's pretty cool if I don't say myself. So that one I did already. I'm going to do the next one, which is this one right here. So this installation complete wrong. Warnings occur during the installation. View the okay. I guess I'll view the log file. Where is this going to? Oh, it does it on the internet. That's weird. Oh, I've seen that before. But I don't need this web page. No, thank you. Okay, so where's the error? I need to know the error. Error message. Driver installed the specified driver. Package was not installed for a matching device. Sorry. Devices I meant to say. And that being said, I have to go back to Google and do AMD Catalyst Control Center download. That's what I should say for now. I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to search up the well, let's try to automatically download the drivers here. So it did the right one, I guess. I don't think I chose the right one. Good thing I noticed that sooner, because if I didn't, that wouldn't be such a good thing. But at least I noticed it in time. So let's do the next one. You skip the computer one if you know. Probably already know that if you're a technician, but just to let you know, skip the computer part. We don't really need to go there. That's the computer, not a driver or component, I should say. These are all portable devices. Besides this one, WDC, which is a hard drive. I'm going to really quickly check if that needs drivers. When it's downloading, I'm going to see if, or checking I should say, I'm going to see if how this is doing. Which looks like it's ready, so I'll run it as administrator. Well, first thing what I did was I show in folder, open the folder, right click, run as administrator, and then press yes, or type the code, or ask someone to type in the code, do your thing. Make sure it installs by pressing install. Show details if you want more information, like I normally do. And this is done, so let's go to the next one. I don't really need anything there. I think that's just all the normal stuff that my dad has. This is what we're working on. I'll do that later. I'll talk about that more later as well. I'm going to install, or hopefully install, some depending if it needs any. I'll hopefully check some drivers on the DVD drives. Let's go here real quick, and I'll click this. You don't really need to do that. Read if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and continue this installation setup. Checking this real quick. Nothing much. And sorry if I'm talking so much. It's just I have to Getting kind of tired, but not as much. I'm really enjoying doing this today for you guys, but this is done as it says, as it asks you to close it, which is very good. At least it let me know, kind of. Didn't come with an error because there's no audio. I'm not wearing a headset right now on this computer. I can actually. Not worried about it though. Actually, let me just see it correctly. There is a headset right here that I have. Actually, never mind. Sorry about that. Okay, you may hear the rip there. That was actually a cardboard box that I was trying to. I was in the wire, and now the wire is kind of messed up here. Oh, we got an error on the driver installer. Give me a second, guys. I gotta hopefully fix this headset wire here. And if I can, I guess we'll have to find out. Go, and hopefully this comes out good. Okay, so that being said, I'm done doing that. Dunsies. Let me see here. I'm gonna try to listen to make sure there's audio. Everything is good with the quality, and we will check another way to do the driver installer-ish thing. I'm kidding. Of course I know what it is. The AMD Reladon AMD driver download. We'll see how we can get that otherwise. For now, I'm going to go through this list and hopefully do some other stuff here. Like, try the keyboard per se, and let's see if that needs a driver at all. I think it will, but, yeah, so, I'm going to hopefully here, go to AMD again. I don't think it can have a driver. That's just my guess, though. My dad doesn't really need a driver. He needs the performance. Because he usually complains, well, he doesn't complain. He usually asks me why his webpage is not loading very quickly. I looked at it once, and for me, what I saw, for me, was a very low graphics processing, and as well as that, a very bad internet connection. We fixed the internet connection problem, but we still have very bad processing, if I don't say myself. I'm going to try Windows 7 64-bit. We tried Windows 8 64-bit because there's no option to do Windows 10 64-bit. So I'm going to try this one real quick. Do the first link. We will not hopefully exit the MD, this page right here. Because if we do need to, we won't exit, but if we do need to come back, what I need to do is download not this one, but the one below it, right here. Right here. So, this one right here. Anyways, let me go back over here real quick. It's not done yet. Also, I need to check my audio real quick here. Sounds good to me. I don't know if you guys heard that. I think that's just my clicker. I think you guys heard that pretty much. It's working. Audio is fine. I think, you guys can't see on the screen right now that I'm testing audio. I put it there. My dad doesn't really like his heads, or his ears burning off because there's so much audio. I'm going to run this as administrator, and hopefully it'll install for me the right way. So we're about to find out. Let me just go back there. Install, yes please, and we'll go back to Google. I'm going to exit this and the download page. I'm going to keep the AMD drivers page open, just in case we need to download the other version there, but I'm going to have to wait and see if this one right here is almost done, but we will see, I guess. Probably all I can do anyways. Oop, just closed. I didn't close it, just it's done, I guess. Well, back there, wherever it was doing. I'm gonna install. Do I already have a driver? That might make sense. Okay, close that then, I guess. We'll see how that does. Oh, I guess it installed for us. That makes sense. Okay, so Windows installed for us. Doesn't matter if Windows does it for you or you get there before Windows. Either way, as long as it works and you have your driver in like if it works, like you have the Catalyst Control Center and you can open that. Okay, so this one I can't really do much about that, but I'm going to continue. As long as the driver is installed, my dad should be happy with his webpage as he, if it loads. Yeah, see, he has his webpage here. Browse some news, whatever, I guess, and yeah. what should I do? I think, is this MSN? I don't think it is. Well, again, he did ask for the fact that he wanted a page where it has news, weather, and other such information about, I'm going to test this real quick depending if I can. www.msn.ca, I guess. Makes sense. Okay, here we go. And, yeah, this should do, I guess. I'm gonna hopefully, yes, we'll add it there. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. Let me see here. We'll see. Sorry guys if I'm quiet now, I'm just trying to focus on helping my customer, or I should say my dad, because he is my dad, as far as I know. Of course he is. We don't have that, I guess, not really. I don't think he needs that really. Specific page, yes, we need to do this one. Save, yes, we're going to save that one. Let me see here, we'll use the dark theme for my dad, because I know, well, not always, but sometimes his eyes, I'm pretty sure they're fragile. I'm not too sure. I'm not going to worry about it, at least not right now. Sure. I'm going to go to advanced settings real quick here. If I'm in it, it looks like I am. Specific page, yes. There we go. I guess we're good now. So open a new tab and make sure it goes to, there we go, and I will open it again to make sure the customer's happy with what it comes up with, and I should change the weather, because sometimes, I don't know where it is, there it is, berry, that should be good. I'm going to close this area here, monitor, I'm going to, yeah, I guess we can update this as well. I don't think it will have a driver. It's probably going to say no immediately. But I don't really know for a fact. But I guess we'll see. I guess we'll have to wait and see. That's what I should have said. But yeah. Yeah, so I guess this is just, I guess I'll end off the video here. I guess this is just mainly me. For now, I'm just going to sit here, hopefully, and update his drivers. I guess this is it for Technician Vlogs channel, and I hope you guys really enjoyed today's episode. Smash that like button. I hope to get 1 or 2 likes. Up to you guys though. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video, another video, or any other video regarding any questions that you have, I guess. And also, if you have a question for me, don't hesitate to ask as well. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, tech videos, other such, and diagnostics, repairs, and IT consultants, and some other stuff like tech reviews of products that involve technology. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!